This is a cocktail that is not leading to a healthy ocean. Human activities, overfishing, plastic pollution is putting our oceans toward a death spiral. We need to create parks out in the sea to give the chance to the biodiversity to recover.